Hi guys, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw and color the love emoji. So let's get started. To draw this love emoji, we're going to first start by drawing a circle. So I'm going to cheat a little bit and use my handy dandy IKEA cup so that I can get a nice round circle. And I'm just going to give myself a curve, slight curve at the top. So if you're using a pencil, just go ahead and trace the whole circle. But because I'm using a Sharpie and I don't want to erase, I'm just going to give myself a little space around the two sides right here where I know where the hearts are going to be for the eyes. So I'm just going to eyeball it about that much, and I can just fill in the rest later. So there, that's about what you want to draw if you're just going to go ahead and use a marker. So just give yourself a slight curve at the top, and from there, let's see, you know what, I'm going to bring this down a little bit more. I think it's too high up, so I'm just going to fill this in a little bit. It's about this much, and then from there I'm going to start to draw my heart eyes. So I'll start right here towards the edge and use this as my guide to go up. So I'm going to start about right here, give myself a point, and I'm going to go up, and I'm going to draw a fat heart. Just make it nice and fat and plump. So about right there. So this is my angle right here. I'm going to stop, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And come back. So let's do the same thing on the other side. Just use this point where you started, go all the way across, and say about right there. So it's the same on both sides. And this is going to be your center now for your heart. And once again, just draw. I'm going to take this point right here and just come down to about right here. So it's approximately the same height on both hearts. And don't even worry about it having to be exactly the same. It doesn't have to be at all. Okay, so there, I got my two heart eyes in. And so then from there, I'm just going to go ahead and fill this part back in. And same thing here. Okay, so we got our circle in now. And then from there, let's draw the mouth. So I'm going to come to the center right here, and in between the two hearts, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve. And then I'm just going to cap it off, and then add a kind of like a U towards the bottom all the way. And then inside right here, I'm going to draw the tongue. So it's just two curves right to the center. And that is pretty much it. It's really simple, right, for this love emoji. So now to color it. So there, this sweet little love emoji all drawn and colored. Hope you guys love how it turned out, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.